Navigating complex Zoho Creator applications can be time-consuming. Introducing the Zoho Creator Menu Search Chrome extension, your key to efficient navigation. This free, lightweight extension, developed by AorBorC, streamlines your workflow by providing a powerful search function within Zoho Creator. Simply install the extension from the Chrome Web Store and start searching for specific forms, reports, or sections using either their link names or display names. Key benefits of using Zoho Creator Menu Search include instant access. You can quickly find features you need, saving valuable time of yours. Intuitive search, because the search results are organized just like your application's menu and structure. Customizable experience, because you can place the extensions widget anywhere on the page for optimal convenience. It's also privacy focused because no personal data is collected. And for its lightweight performance, because it will never slow down your browser. How to download and use? You have to go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Zoho Creator Menu Search. Click Add to Chrome and follow the on-screen instructions. Once installed, a new icon will appear in your Chrome toolbar. Click it to open the search bar. Type a keyword or phrase related to the menu item you are looking for. Choose the desired result from the list. Ready to streamline your Zoho Creator journey? Download the Zoho Creator Menu Search extension today from the Chrome Web Store. For more information or to explore other Zoho Creator solutions, visit AorBorC. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on Zoho Creator. And don't forget to check out the Zoho Creator Menu Search extension to elevate your Zoho Creator experience. For best solutions for your business, contact AorBorC. Thank you.